Have you ever watched a bird carefully selecting twigs and leaves to build its beautiful nest? It's a great example of how nature works to recycle raw materials to create something better. But we're part of nature too. Did you know that our bodies also have their own intricate processes happening every day? The cells in our body have a renewal process, repairing, maintaining, and recycling raw materials in order to take care of cell damage. Two of the most important cleanup processes are autophagy and mitophagy. Today I'm going to talk about why these cleaning processes are so important for our overall health. Welcome to my podcast, Over 40 and Fabulous, the show that helps you live your best life no matter your age. I'm Robin Thomas, and I'm the founder of Living Well Connections, a healthy living community that supports, educates, and empowers us all to make healthy decisions toward a more balanced and fulfilling life. I have a background in medical research, and I love exploring the interplay of our physical, mental, and spiritual selves. This weekly show is your haven for real talk, science-backed solutions, and inspiration from women who get it. Proteins are involved in almost every aspect of our life, from the structure of our cells to the regulation of our metabolism. Proteins are the building blocks of cells, tissues, and organs. They form structures like hair, skin, and muscles, and play a crucial role in cell growth and repair. Other proteins act as enzymes, which aid in digestion and energy production. And still other proteins function as hormones and antibodies, so crucial for our immune response. Despite their different jobs, all proteins eventually reach the end of their lifespan. Whether they're helping our liver break down food, building and supporting our cells, or fighting off infections, they all get worn out and need to be replaced. Cell cleanup processes help recycle proteins, provides building blocks for new cells. This promotes cellular renewal and helps maintain tissue health. Research has shown that when cell cleanup is not working well, the increase of aging proteins is linked to various age-related diseases, including neurodegenerative disorders, cardiovascular disease, and even cancers. Efficient cell cleanup processes help reduce the risk of these diseases. The name of this cell cleanup process is called autophagy, which literally means self-eating. Yeah, I know it sounds gross, but it's an important normal part of a healthy body. Basically, autophagy is where cells recycle damaged or used up parts into their own basic components. Then those small pieces can be reused. During autophagy, damaged proteins and cellular structures are isolated inside double membrane sacs called autophagosomes. It's hard to say. But once the damaged structures are isolated, another specialized structure attaches to this autophagosome and releases digestive enzymes to break apart the damaged structures into amino acids. These very amino acids become the raw material for new proteins. We have a special type of autophagy related to the mitochondria, the part of your cells responsible for energy production. When they're young and healthy, they're efficient at providing energy with few waste products called free radicals. As mitochondria age or wear out, they're much less efficient at producing energy. And in doing so, they give off much higher levels of those free radicals. This results in greater oxidative stress and inflammation. When mitochondria are recycled this way, we call it mitophagy. Let's dive down inside the cell through the magic of this video. Here at the beginning, we see damaged proteins and the much larger damaged mitochondria being gathered into the sac-like autophagosome. A lysosome floods the autophagosome with digestive enzymes and the resulting amino acids replicate fresh mitochondria. So, the process of mitophagy overhauls your cellular power plants to keep them churning efficiently and effectively. And having normally functioning mitochondria plays a big role for our overall health. Both autophagy and mitophagy are part of our natural stress response. As we talked about in our previous video, the cells in our body react to stress in a number of ways. And the main goal of these stress responses is simply to survive. Autophagy and mitophagy are triggered during challenging situations such as intense heat, cold, starvation, and toxins. But targeted nutrition can make a difference without such stress. Under certain conditions, nutrients in your diet mimic cellular stressors like calorie restriction, for one. Incorporating a few nutrients is really the easier path, and it's still effective. These nutrient stressors can signal the cell to renew or replace itself in order to maintain that efficiency. Now, many of these stress-inducing nutrients are found in the fruits and vegetables we eat. Go healthy diet. Broccoli, tomatoes, kale, turmeric root, grapes, and blueberries are all examples. This is yet another reason to keep eating those fruits and vegetables for a better health. To further enhance your cell's defense system, consider adding USANA Cellsentials into your daily routine. Cellsentials provides a comprehensive blend of micronutrients and plant-based compounds that activate your body's natural defense systems, including 2 advanced nutritional supplements, core minerals, and Vita-Antioxidant. Together, they deliver a broad spectrum of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and additional nutrients to support your long-term health. By nourishing your cells from within, you're taking a proactive step toward optimal health and well-being. So, using these nutrients, you're essentially tricking your cells into recycling before those miles of life have completely taken their toll. That means optimal cellular health is maintained, and you have the efficient, effective cells you need to live your life to the fullest at any age. Thank you so much for joining me at my Over 40 and Fabulous podcast. Please let me know if you have any questions about this episode. I will publish new episodes at noon Eastern on Saturdays, so you can listen and watch at your convenience. If this podcast has been helpful for you, please share it on your favorite social media platform or share directly with your fantastic friends. Bye for now, and I'll see you in the next episode.